What's up guys? Today we are going back to the America's Got Talent with a beautiful performance of the song called Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish, and this one is performed by Swensen and Judy. Let's check out this performance.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too.
That is a great voice.
It was always you. If I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more.
That is a very unique and very beautiful way to sing that song by Billie Eilish, and I love the lady on the cello. That sounds fantastic.
Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Oh, 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 oh. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better.
Very unique, very beautiful voice. They look like they're having so much fun on stage. I love that song, and this one is a very interesting but a very beautiful take on that beautiful song. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.